Hey guys, we are going to figure out how to make a graph in Google Sheets. All right, so I have a Google Sheet open up. We um, so I've made a couple data tables here. So first, I've collected responses to the number of people's favorite Avenger. So you can see I have a data table right there. Um, so now this is actually super simple to make a graph in Google Sheets. I've seen some folks, like you're actually trying to build a graph, you'll type the numbers along the sides and up, and then like fill in the cells with colors. You can do that, but there is a much simpler way. All right, so let's take a look. I want to make, so there's going to be a bar graph from these guys right here, seeing who's people's favorite Avenger. All right. So all I got to do is just click on my data table right there. I don't have to highlight the whole thing. Just click on it. And then I'm going to come over here to this button where it says Insert Chart. Click that. And any moment, it should just pop up. Hey, there you go. All right, so now for some reason, Google likes to have the axes inverted. Um, so I prefer here in Class Forest to have it where this should be the X, that should be the Y. For some reason, Google likes it the opposite. So I'm gonna come over here where on the side where the chart editor is, click on chart type, and I can do column chart, and there's a bar graph. I can edit the title up here. It automatically puts in a title, even though I had a separate title up here, but number of responses versus Avenger, that's a perfect title. You can go through this editor here and change all sorts of things about it, but hey, that graph looks pretty good right there. So, all right, so that's a bar graph. So now if I look over here at my data table for pumpkin growth over the summer, same thing, but this is going to be a line graph because I'm charting data over time. So once again, I just click on a cell in the data table, come up here where it says Insert Chart, click on that, and right here it pops up as a bar chart because that's a bar graph because that's what I had previously. But I'm gonna come over here and I can change it to a line graph, and there you go. So simple enough. There's your graphs. They're perfect. So now you can, if you click on the little three dots up here, you can click Copy Chart, and I believe it copies it to your clipboard, and then that way you can paste it into the Google Slides for the assignment, and then you're golden. All right. Now you know how to make graphs in Google Sheets like a pro. All right. Make sure you smash that subscribe button for me below.